And here is some background on Olmsted. And yeah, I'm learning. I didn't know about him or the work, so let me hold it here, and you guys can freeze frame if you want, and we'll continue here. Hopefully that's readable. Let me try to get it better. Hopefully that's good. And then that for you. Again, just pause where you want. Sounds like a very egalitarian lad. Okay, so again, just freeze frame as you see fit. And then I'm going to cross over the hallway, and there's a continuation for his sons. Sorry, it's hard to. I'm looking through the viewfinder, so trying to make sure I give you the best chance to be able to read this. Okay, maybe there's more story over here. This might be a tie-in to the Bok Tower.
Whoa, that's where. But like many churches.
We'll move on from Olmsted to Bok a little bit. There's a wing of the museum that's on site. Hopefully you guys can read that. Relating to Mr. Bok, Edward. We'll get in here. This is benefactors. Let's see. Pause as needed, and there's some nice photographs here of some of the people. Oops, it's a modern photograph. All right, so bear with me for a second. We'll come over here. Do the photos first, and then we'll get down. If you like the history, I guess this was these were the people assembled to work on the tower. All right, so I'll sweep around a little bit. So particulars of the project. Here, I guess, is a old Caroliners, whatever. I don't know anything about instruments, so whatever it was that they used, I'm sure it's written here somewhere. So just get a look at that, and then maybe we can see what the nomenclature is. I'll get up top so you guys can read that better. Again, pause as you see fit. Going a little fast so these videos don't run super long. There's the bells. I'll get the script in a second. There's a bell. All right, so let's peek in this other room and then I'll wrap this up. This will be separate from the walking tour. So they're going into the wildlife a little bit, which is awesome. Some of the research and academic things going on here. Very cool. Hopefully the light's okay here. And you know, I never made it to the endangered plant garden, but I have videos from when I was here 5 years ago of that, of some of the endangered plants. And maybe if I come back after lunch, I'll include that as a separate video. And there are plenty of birds here. There was a story I heard when we were here the first time back in the 90s. This might be it. And I think Mr. Bok brought some nightingales from England, and they died fairly quickly. And but the mockingbirds picked up their song, and they've been mimicking that song ever since. Maybe not to this day, but 26 years ago, whenever we went to Bok. No, it was probably about 21, 22 years ago that we were here. Just checking one other thing, that the mockingbirds were doing their nightingale impression. So yeah, there's nothing super interesting out this way. All right, guys, there's the interior tour at the Bok Museum.